Since signing up with Truck Checkup, all these customers started asking us to do CARB inspections for them. I mean, I was skeptical, like we sign up for things way too early, but we're being introduced to customers that we have not done business with before if it wasn't for that service offering.
CARB has started requiring emissions tests for heavy-duty vehicles coming into their state. Truck Checkup allows us to connect to the vehicle, complete the test, and get results within 5 minutes to our customers. When using Truck Checkup, we can get potential upsells. It's an opportunity for the shop to really leverage that customer being in the shop already with us to look at other needed issues.
It's one of the few things that we paid for and it actually started paying like a few months later.